I am a famous girl. I have been famous for so long I do not remember my name.
Okay, that is nice. Hey, I'm Will Ferrell and I wanted to know if you wanted to date. You are the most beautiful creation I have seen God make. I am a funny guy who is also famous. We can make millions of dollars and hug every day.
But you are ugly.
What the heck? I waste all my breath talking to you and you just straight up call me ugly? Wow, you are a rude person.
Okay. It all started millions of years ago when my dad walked in on me talking to Santa. He was saying something and then all of a sudden he called me a ho and I told my daddy and he smacked this so-called Santa fella who is talking smack. But then I was so sad and I almost killed myself. I have never forgotten that day and thanks to you I am about to cry, so you can just go away.
Hey, no, do not worry, be happy. What Bob Marley always told me when I took baths with him, he said to never give up on a dream. Even though that isn't a dream, I do believe you will be okay. Now can we go to the store so I can get some grapes? I am very hungry for ducks and grapes and lemonade.
Ugh, I guess, but what if we see my dad and Santa? I forgot to tell you they are dating now. Please don't slap me for not telling you at first. That is what Santa always did to me when I did not tell him stuff.
Ties. Okay, let us frolic through the meadow with ducks, grapes and lemonade because I am starving.
Okay, one more thing. Reply, comment and subscribe. LaLylandGirl64 will have more videos like how stupid this one is coming soon. Good night.